Setting up RetailManager Multistore. If this is your first time installing AAAPOS Web Store Manager, please complete the following steps before setting up RetailManager Multistore. Go to the AAAPOS website, AAAPOS.com. Navigate to Tutorials, Web Store Manager Video Tutorials. Watch the following installation videos. 1.1. Downloading and updating AAAPOS Web Store Manager. 1.2. Installing AAAPOS Web Store Manager. 1.3. Connecting AAAPOS Web Store Manager to your RetailManager shopfront. Once that's done, you're ready to activate Multistore. Part 1. Activating Multistore in Web Store Manager. Let's begin by opening Web Store Manager, then navigate to Settings, Setup, Multistore. This will open the Settings tab. If using AAAPOS storage, if a secure access key is required, please contact AAAPOS to request one. A unique secure access token key will be sent to you. Save this in a secure place. Tick the box to activate Multistore. Under Managed Access Token Storage, enter the key provided by AAAPOS. Click Test Connection. Scroll to Store Name. Select a name from the drop-down menu if you've already created folders, or enter a new name, for example, the store's location. Important: do not leave this field blank. If no name is entered, the store's data will not sync. Click Test Connection again, then select Save. Please note, this needs to be done at each store location. Part 2. If using your own storage, Microsoft Azure. Skip this section if you are using AAAPOS storage. Azure Storage Account Setup. Log into your Azure portal. Create or locate a storage account. Under Data Storage, add or select a container for AAAPOS Multistore. Shared Access Token, SAS. Open the container and generate a SAS token. Set expiry to a long future date. Enable the following permissions: read, write, list, delete, add, create, and update. Click Generate SAS Token and URL. Copy the blob SAS token. Container URL. Copy the main URL of the Azure storage container, excluding the container name. Part 3. Web Store Manager Multistore Configuration, Azure Storage. Fill in the Web Store Manager Setup, Multistore page using the details from your Azure setup. Custom Access Token. Enter the main URL, omit container name. Enter the container name. Paste the blob SAS token. Store name. Enter a name for the store, for example, Sydney, Brisbane, etc. Each store must specify its own folder name to identify its data. Once you've configured Multistore, proceed to the Publish section in Web Store Manager to begin syncing data between store locations.